A classic Christmas tree is a timeless addition to any Christmas decorations. I don't have space for a large tree, so I place adorable tabletop trees around my home. This is the latest addition to my tabletop tree collection. The pattern I use for this fabric 3D tree is Tabletop Tannenbaum by Poorhouse Quilt Designs. If you are interested in purchasing this pattern and supplies, click the iCard or the link in the description to our tabletop tree page. As you can see, the pattern comes with detailed step-by-step instructions. One thing that you have to do is you need to trace the tree on paper before you can cut out the fabric. Speaking of fabric, to make my tree, I used leftover holiday fabric from other holiday projects I made. However, if you don't have fabric, the tree is made with 5 fat quarters, and if you choose to make the skirt, you will need 6. If you take a closer look, you can see the tree is quilted. This is an opportunity to practice free motion quilting. Inside each tree section is heat moldable batting. After assembling the tree, you heat the moldable batting with an iron according to the directions, which stiffens the tree, enabling it to stand up on its own. Another feature I liked was the little tab on the top of the tree, making it easy to sew a star on the top of the tree. The finished tree is 13 inches tall with the optional tree skirt of 12 inches in diameter. A handmade tabletop tree is a wonderful gift for friends, relatives, and coworkers. I hope you enjoyed seeing this project and decide to make one yourself. Please like, share, and comment. To follow us, just click the iCard or the link in the description section. Subscribe to our channel because we are continually making new videos and tutorials. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of sewing and quilting information, tutorials, and free projects.